Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share amazing ways to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you a stupidly easy method to make $300 per hour using Google. Yes, you heard that right, $300 per hour. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience or technical skills to get started. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Find profitable niches. The first step to making money with Google is to find profitable niches. You can use Google Trends to find popular topics that people are searching for. Look for topics that have high search volume but low competition. Once you have identified a few niches, move on to the next step. Step 2. Create content. The next step is to create content related to your chosen niches. You can create blog posts, videos, or even podcasts. The content should be informative and engaging. Make sure to use keywords related to your niches to optimize your content for search engines. Step 3. Monetize your content. Now that you have created content, it's time to monetize it. There are several ways to monetize your content, such as affiliate marketing. You can promote products related to your niches and earn a commission on every sale. Google AdSense, you can display ads on your website or YouTube channel and earn money every time someone clicks on the ads. Sponsored content, you can collaborate with brands and create sponsored content for them. Step 4. Promote your content. The final step is to promote your content. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote your content. You can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. So, there you have it guys, a stupidly easy method to make $300 per hour using Google. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to making money online in no time. Remember, the key is to find profitable niches, create engaging content, monetize your content, and promote it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing ways to make money online.